What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video. First up, we have this Makita impact wrench that I actually brought up maybe last week, and I showed it to you on Amazon that it was 144, and I was comparing it to something else that was a deal that came up. But I ended up buying this anyway because I'm like, that's actually pretty cheap for what you're getting. But I wanted to show you. I didn't realize how cheap it was. So at Home Depot, if you want the same impact wrench, this thing is $259. Okay, 144 on Amazon. I'm almost nervous about what I'm gonna get, but there you go, 144 on Amazon. Moving on, lots of people are talking about this Metabo HPT buy one get one, and I've known about this since the weekend. And I know today is Wednesday. It's just been a lot, but I've been trying to justify some of these deals. Okay, so if it's any of the 18 volt tools, knock yourself out. Now, I don't like that this is at Lowe's, but this is not a bad deal. But if it's any of the 18 volt tools, knock yourself out. But if it's a 36 volt tool, you got to really weigh the pros and cons, because over here at Tool Barn, they still have this promotion running where if you buy one of these 36 volt tools, you get either a free battery in addition to the rebate battery, and or a free starter kit. So let's just give you a couple examples here. So let's say you bought, we're not going to use that, we're going to use something for math. This Brad nailer for $279. Well, shoot, it might help if I tell you what the buy more save more is. So the way the buy more save more works is if you spend $100, you get $20 off. Spend $200, you get $50 off. Spend $400, you get $150 off, which is where the real value is. And they give you all the eligible items here. It's a long laundry list of them. And so, again, you spend $400, you get $150 off. That's the best value. Now, let's go back to what we were saying. So if we buy this Brad nailer, that's going to be $280. We need to spend $120 more. And let's say we're going to buy this drill, for example. I mean, don't get this, but you get what I'm saying. We're buying this drill for $129. That puts us at like $410. We're going to get $150 off, so that's about $260 now. But that's it. Granted, these kits come with batteries and chargers and stuff like that. But if this were 36 volt tools, let's go to the 36 volt tools only. Does that make sense? Let's say you bought, I know this doesn't count because these are $2 short, but let's say you bought both of these, the reciprocating saw and the rear handle circular saw for $400, and you got them for $250. But you don't have any, but you do have batteries because they both qualify for the e-rebate, but you don't have any chargers, right? So I don't know. Maybe I'd do that. Like if I was on a budget, I would probably do that. I think that would probably make sense. But you also get way more for your money over here, because if you come to Tool Barn, it's just even a better deal because the reciprocating saw is $179, and even the circular saw is on sale for $179. So all right, so you're spending $360, and you're getting a starter kit for this one, and you're going to get a starter kit for the other one, for the reciprocating saw. So it gives you 2 4-amp-hour batteries and 2 chargers, plus they qualify for the e-rebate. So you end up with 4 batteries, 2 chargers for $360. Whereas over here you spend $250 or $260. Well, not $260, but you spend $250 and you get just 2 batteries. So I'm just saying, weigh your options. Now, again, if this 18 volt tools, knock yourself out for the 18 volts, because the Tool Barn deals are only for 36 volt tools. So if you looking at the 18 volts, then knock yourself out. But I would highly encourage you to consider, if you like, oh man, I want this hammer drill impact driver combo, I strongly suggest considering the 36 volt variants, because first of all, you can find this impact driver still for $70 over at Menards, right? So you get that in 36 volt, and then you can buy the hammer drill for $100 something. You still way less than $249. It won't be kits, but again, you're gonna get free batteries. Anyway, well, this is Lowe's for you. You know, I can't. I can't with them, man. Every time, like I'm even trying to give them a little business now. They just can't. They can't get themselves together. What's wrong with their website? Anyway, if you can get Lowe's to work, just if you're looking at something 18 volt, just consider the 36 volt variant of it because the 36 volt tools are generally a little more powerful, and then they also run off of a hybrid system. They could be plugged into the wall and they can run off battery. So just do that. And then don't forget about Rakuten. Sign up for Rakuten. You get an additional $30 cash back on your purchase if you're new to Rakuten. It's free to sign up. Use the link in the description. If you're on using a computer, you would just click this little button here and it'll activate. If you are on, and then you just shop. And if you are on the app, what you do is just open up the app after you sign up, and then you just go shop at Lowe's or wherever through the app, and then it activates it. And you get your cash back, see 2% cash back, plus your $30 cash back. Now, moving on. Again, just come over to just compare the tool barn depending on what you're looking for. Tool barn doesn't have. Wait, what have I been doing this whole time? Why haven't I remembered that Tool Barn has Rakuten? Tool Barn also has Rakuten, okay? So if, same deal, you heard the spiel. And also Acme Tools has a Rakuten as well. I was trying to look for a cheap version of the hammer drill. It doesn't exist. Those things not cheap at all. But moving on, the last thing I wanted to talk about was this deal. I actually saw it on Slick Deals. This Metabo HPT 36 volt circular saw. So it's not the rear handle, but this is perfect for righties because the dust is blowing away from you. I like it. $100. People thought that was a good deal. It's not a good deal. Let me tell you why. This does qualify. It should, but I don't know because it's coming from Amazon. But it should qualify for the free battery rebate. However, guess what? It's on sale over at Tool Barn. We headed right back to Tool Barn, and that thing is normally $199. Just like this rear handle is normally $199, but it's on sale for $179. And if we scroll down and find that bug, this thing is on sale. See, from $189, $129. So just pay the extra $29 and get a free starter kit. So that extra $29 gets you another 4 amp hour battery, gets you a charger, and this will for sure qualify for the e-rebate because, sometimes these manufacturers don't like dealing with Amazon because of knockoffs. So that's pretty much it for today's video. Yep, that's it. Hopefully it was helpful, and I will see you guys next time.